Want to run your favorite Android apps and play mobile games directly on your Windows 10 PC or laptop? Here's how to easily download and install Bluestacks 5 in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and go to the official website at bluestacks.com. On the homepage, click on the Download Bluestacks 5 button to save the installer file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder or click on the installer file directly from your browser's download bar. If a user account control prompt appears asking for permission, click Yes to continue. In the Bluestacks installer window, click the Install Now button. If you want to change where the software is installed on your computer, you can click Customize Installation first to select a different drive or folder. The installer will automatically download the necessary core files and set up Bluestacks 5 on your system. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection speed. Once the installation finishes, Bluestacks 5 will launch automatically. To start downloading apps and games, open the Google Play Store icon inside Bluestacks. Sign in with your Google account, and you are ready to go. If this quick guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.